Blessings to all my viewers. Like always, love and respect. Today, we got some hot gossip to dive into, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. We've got Cardi B and Offset throwing shade at each other again. Vybz Kartel challenging his son in a penalty shootout, and Elaine Thompson-Herah living her best life after a tough season. So let's get into it, shall we? First up, Cardi B and Offset are back at it with their online feud. Cardi B went off, accusing Offset of being a narcissist, while Offset didn't hold back either, jumping in her live chat and dropping a bombshell about her supposed infidelities. Offset called her out with the comment, "UF, with a baby inside, tell the truth." Yikes! According to Cardi, Offset's now threatening her with divorce and trying to take things she's worked hard for, all because she's moving on. She didn't mince her words, saying, "It's no fun when mama got the gun, right?" She's fed up, done with the drama, and she regrets ever being with him. Though she made sure to note, "Thank you for my kids, though. I don't regret them, but I regret you." Things are getting messy once again between these two. What do you all think? Is it time for them to call it quits for good? Or do you think they'll find their way back to each other like before? Let me know in the comments.
So when it's like, nigga, I don't care. I don't care, nigga. I don't care. At the end of the day, they pussy must not be that good that you was fucking up. You was blowing up my phone all weekend. All weekend you was blowing up my phone. I blocked you. I blocked you. Even though I know you was going to go to Atlanta, and I was like, I didn't want to know what you was doing out there. I told you, I blocked. You was calling me all private numbers all morning. You was calling my mama, everything. So it's like, you trying to show me, trying to get me mad, like, oh, no, oh, let me show you the bitches I'm fucking. Let me show you the bitches in my DMs. I'm going to hurt her feelings. I don't care. I don't care. That pussy must not be hitting. That you still calling my shit. Trying to get your lick back. Trying to do your big lick back. I don't care. You're fucking lame. And them bitches is lames too. You wanna know why? Because you gotta fuck them bitches in order to get your ego to feel high. You know, I'm too much woman for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm too much of a boss bitch for you. And I've always been too good for you. I've been too good for you. I've been too good for anything that is associated to you. So you gotta fuck other bitches to make yourself feel better. Because I make you feel so low about yourself. Because I don't make you feel like you're that nigga in this home. So that's what you gotta do. So you out here trying to hurt my feelings because you fucking the next bitch. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Because them hoes pussy ain't good enough that I be having you crashing out. All weekend. You was mad happy today when I fucking called you today. And the only reason why I called you today is because I'm trying to change my son's school. And I need your approval. Other than that, nigga, fuck you. I don't care. Fuck the world. Fuck my ops. I'm gonna fuck your ops. That's why I'm fucking your ops. Yeah, of course, because you don't move with integrity. You're not a street nigga. That's what you do. That's what you do. Oh, I'm gonna go fuck your ops. Goo, boo-hoo, nigga. I don't give a fuck. You can fuck my ops. You can fuck my friends, nigga. I don't give a shit. You're a lame to me, and you will never equate to me. And it's crazy that I even let you even play with me for such a fucking long time, because you're not even a real right nigga for me. I make you look good, nigga. Fuck you. Look at the bitch I'm fucking. Fuck you. I don't care. Look at the bitches that I'm fucking. I'ma fuck all your ups. I'ma fuck. Matter of fact, oh, look at this. I don't want to see it. So what? You was gonna fuck them anyways, nigga. All you gotta do is get fucking drunk. And them bitches gonna throw you that pussy for 2,000. Bitches gotta survive out here. Bitches gotta survive out here, nigga. Oh, now I'ma fuck them bitches. Now I'ma fuck bitches. Okay, you could do that. You was gonna do it regardless. You go to a club and you probably get drunk. You give them bitches 2,000 and you was gonna fuck them regardless. Them hoes gotta survive. These hoes is hungry out here. We in a recession, baby. Them hoes gotta get fucked. They gotta get paid. Do that. I don't care. I don't care. Oh, I'm a watch what I'm gonna do to you. Watch what I'm a this, that, blah, blah, blah. You already done it all. You already done it all. You already done it all. You done it all. You done it all. You done it all. Nothing surprises me anymore. Nothing surprises me. You done it all, so I don't care. I don't. Thank you for my kids, though. All 3 of them. I don't regret none of them. But I regret you. I don't regret my kids. You're good, Daddy. You all right. I don't regret them. None of them. Not none of them. But fuck you. I regret you. I'm too good for you. I always been too good for you. You know I'm too good for you, nigga. And I don't ever, I never even wanted to get on this social media because I don't want to turn off the next nigga off because this is not my type of shit. This is not my type of shit. I don't ever want the next nigga to ever think that I'm a messy bitch. But you want to be a messy nigga and do petty shit?
Next, we have Vybz Kartel and his son, Likkle Addi, spicing things up with a penalty shootout. Kartel, even in his not-so-athletic clothes, tried his best, but missed his second kick, giving his son the upper hand. Likkle Addi won the $200 bet. Talk about bragging rights. They were shooting a music video for their song, MODM at the time, marking Kartel's first collaboration since his release from prison. Kartel even rocked a West Indies outfit in some pics he shared, which he got from none other than Marlon Samuels.
All right. Forward thinking. 200 US may I bet him. It's mad, so what kind of corruption you are dealing with?
No, me my rep for.
You can't rep face here, party them, I might party that 200 US.
Yo!
And the Likkle Addi one of the newest. May I bet him so may I go score
I
from
go
there.
prove.
Jai, more the money.
2 left foot.
Yeah, 2 left foot, look around.
2 left foot.
Boom, boom,
Boom,
Two
Two bills, see there?
Jai,
2
my
bills, see there?
friend,
I'll show you my codes, ready? Palmer.
Chili.
Chili. Dog, yo. Dog. Yo.
Now you man. Give the tour. Give the tour.
Now, switching gears to Elaine Thompson-Herah, our sprint queen, who's out there living her best life after a rough track season. She missed the Paris Olympics due to injury, but now she's out here crossing off some bucket list adventures in Jamaica. Horseback riding, rope swinging, though she was hesitant on that one, and even ATV riding. She posted about it on Instagram, saying she's just ticking off some fears and loving life. One follower commented, "Watch the fastest woman alive in a me place." Now, I love seeing Elaine having fun and staying positive, even after a tough season. It's all about recovery and enjoying life, right? What's your favorite way to unwind after a tough time? Let me know. As always, I love hearing your thoughts. What do you think about Cardi B and Offset's ongoing drama? Can you see Vybz Kartel's son following in his footsteps musically? And what do you think about Elaine Thompson-Herah's way of bouncing back? Drop your comments below. Let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest news.